Welcome to your French class. In this class, we learn how to write a letter, an informal letter. Okay, here we have been given a topic. It is about écrivez une lettre à votre oncle, lui remerciant pour le cadeau qu'il vient de vous envoyer. Write a letter to your uncle thanking him for the gift that he has just sent you. Okay, we do know that we have a certain format that we follow every time while writing a letter. Okay, so it's an informal letter. Let's start. So it's an informal letter and we'll start it with the place we are writing from. Okay, then comes the date. It is always written with le. Okay, le 25 décembre, then comes the year 2000. Now, we'll start from here. Cher oncle Luc. Dear Uncle Luc, j'ai très bien passé la boum que maman et papa ont organisé pour mon anniversaire. Now, the person who is writing is telling his uncle how he passed the day of his birthday. Now, I had a great time passing the party which my mama and papa organized. Here we have got passé composé. Organized pour mon anniversaire, for my birthday. Maman a préparé un grand gâteau et papa a acheté des boissons et des frites pour les invités. Mama prepared, again we have got passé composé here. Mama prepared a big cake and papa bought some drinks, cold drinks, et des frites and some fries like French fries pour les invités, for the guests. Nous avons dansé, we danced, bu et mangé, drank and ate. Now the next paragraph. J'aurais été très content si tu avais pu venir. Now here we have used conditional. Okay, conditional passé here and here we have used plusque parfait. Okay, I would have been very happy, très content. I would have been very happy if you could have come. Now the action hasn't happened, but the writer, whosoever is writing, is assuming. Okay. J'ai reçu le cadeau que tu m'as envoyé pour mon anniversaire. I received the gift that you sent for me. Pour here and me here, because it's a pronoun, we use it before the verb and it is passé composé here. I received the gift that you sent for me on my birthday. J'aime beaucoup le livre. I like the book so much. Je l'ai commencé. I started, again we have used here passé composé. I started it. This le we have used here for book, le livre. Hier, yesterday I started the book. J'ai seulement lu 50 pages jusqu'à maintenant. I only read 50 pages so far. Il est assez intéressant. Il, here we have used for the book. It is very interesting. It is pretty interesting. C'est un livre policier. This is a detective kind of book. J'aime ce genre de livre. I like this kind of books. Now we are writing the closing line here. J'espère que l'année prochaine tu viendras. I hope that you will come the next year. Okay. Now we are ending the letter here, and here at last the writer writes his or her name. Bisous Alina. Kisses from Alina. Okay. So this is the way how we frame a letter, an informal letter, and I'll be back soon with some more letters and messages. Thank you.